quick, if you're enjoying these videos, if you want to see more of them, I'm trying to grow my channel, and I appreciate all the help. So like, subscribe, comment, share this with your friends, because it all means something to me, and it helps me build this channel so I can keep doing this, bringing y'all content every day, and showing you around Japan while I'm here. And once the coronavirus allows me to get to some other countries, I'm going to start vlogging on those too. So I really appreciate the support. Stay tuned with G White's Travel so that you can see everything. Now let's get to it. We made it to Kagoshima. About to head to the local line, to the tram, and get on a train. On the city train. So much posters. All they got is a line, and I don't have a line. I just got my phone. Stops and we'll be there. That's the fun fact. They only take cash on these trains, which sucks because I got an IC card loaded with basically 60 bucks on it, and I can't fucking use it on the tram here. Which, if you have a line, which I do, but I don't have a card on file because I don't trust line like that, then you're good. But other than that, you're pretty much fucked if you ain't got cash. Luckily I had 200 yen, but now I'm gonna have to go by an ATM and make sure I've got some cash on me to be able to ride the tram. Walk with me through Japan, right? Welcome to Kagoshima. I love the fact that they have these walking streets like this in Japan, though. Every city normally has them. So out of all the cities I've been to, not yet. On another note, this city is literally one big volcano, basically. There's a volcano on an island right across the harbor from here, which is the most active in Japan. And then there's a volcano basically right by the hotel I'm staying at. And there's tons of hot springs around here too. This is also the city where Saigo, a famous samurai, fought his last battle before dying during the Satsuma rebellion. So, interesting history about this place too. Welcome to Japan, guys. Get to my hotel. Right here. About to check in. I'll be back with y'all guys in a minute. Now, I'm walking to a Buddhist temple, which is right near my hotel. Just dropped off my bags, so we're on to the next trip. This is called 10 Park Street. I'm trying to find this temple, and it's like built into a parking garage and an apartment and working complex. This is crazy. You see this? Yeah, I'm on a rooftop. By the way, that is Mount Shimabaru or Shimabara. Anyway, there's an observation deck up there. There's also a temple up there too, so, and a park, and it's the final resting place, not final resting place, but the final battle of the Sumatsu rebellion. Statue of Komatsu Chakiwaki. There's that roof I just came off of right there. See what I'm saying? I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with that. On to the next one, guys. This is Taka Mori statue. The guy that was a famous samurai that defended against the Satsuma rebellion. It's out right by the Prefecture Museum. Got a little spot for koi and everything. Usually you can feed the fish, so that's pretty cool. We're about to head right up here to this shrine. It's right next to the Prefecture Museum. And Teru Kuni is the name of the shrine. So that's the city behind me. You gotta love Japan for these tories. Sometimes they'll literally be in the middle of a road, kind of like this one is. This one's almost like a gate to the street. So walk with me, walk with me. This is a tree bird. They've hedged it out to make it look like a tree, so that's, or a bird. That's pretty cool. Shoot, we're at the gate. Let's head inside. Looks like there's a service going on. You can buy some charms. Them charms are supposed to give you good luck. So this guy is like one of the big figures in the 1800s of this region of Japan, because after the British defeated the Chinese in the Opium Wars, they were afraid that the British were going to try to colonize Japan, and as a result they basically brought the country together and formed a very, very strong bond and army, so that in case of any invasion they could defeat the British. Of course, with the Britain never tried to invade here, because the Mongols tried 2 or 3 times and were fucked off every time, because this terrain is horrible. And it's a side note, just a side note, but that's one of the reasons America only engaged in air raids on Japan. Trying to invade Japan is nearly impossible due to its location, and the same thing that hinders it from being able to grow as big as it can is the same thing that also protects it from invasion. Terrain is a very big thing, and anybody that's seen the layout of Japan, it's mostly mountainous with coastal plains, so it's easy for any army to gain the high ground from anywhere. So the best way to attack is from the air. And that's one reason no land troops have set foot on the Japanese mainland, because of that primary reason. On everybody, this is where we heading. That's the volcanic island, most active volcano in Japan. About to head over here to the ferry. So shit, follow me, baby. The port, about to head out on the ferry. Can't wait to go to this place. This is Seaside Park, located right on the harbor. There are tons of ferries around here, so I'm sure there's a lot more routes than just this one to get to some of these smaller surrounding islands. Here's the aquarium. So we're at the gate area. About to go get me a ticket and then get on this train for there. A few places to eat when you first get in. Here's the ticket counter. 200 bucks for a one-way. So in this country that almost every one of them either has a loading dock for cars or trucks or something. There he goes. Just waiting on departure. About a 10-minute ride to the other side of the harbor. And you can rent a bicycle. They got a tourist taxi, liquor. Yeah, it's Satsuma. Alright, let's see what they got. I'm about to go in this tourist center and see everything. Also, make sure you have cash, but you can also exchange your bills for cash, because you don't pay until you arrive. This is Tsukiyomi Shrine Island. A little bit steep, but not too bad. So here's the temple. Got another little temple right back there. I don't know where these stairs lead to, but I'm about to check them out. Stairs lead to a little observation point. So that's Kagoshima City. And there's the mountain. You can only get within 2 kilometers of the summit because it's so active. And you can taste the ash in the air, and when I don't have my mask on, my nose burns. Erupting, baby. Oh, it's erupting, baby. Head over there, but as you can see, it's closed off. So this is by the castle ruins, Kagoshima castle ruins. So I'm gonna go around this way and see if I can get in that way. This is a monument for the Satsuma rebellion. For the mission, I seen that bus. I was like, let me hurry up and catch this motherfucker, because I was about to walk through some trails and I didn't know where I was headed. Kagoshima City View bus. Made it to the observatory spot. It's about a 200-meter little hike to the top of the mountain. So I'm about to head up that way. Nice little nature trail. That takes you down. Made it up here to the observatory. Look at that. Like it's erupting again. I think there's over 7 a day on this island. The Shenzhen Garden. It's one of the prettiest gardens around. Costs 1,000 yen to get in here, which is roughly $10. So let's walk around and see what they got. So they got a few shops, knick-knack souvenir places. Walk with me. Walk with me. Sofuken restaurant. Variety of subtropical plants. Interesting, guys. I don't know if you can see this, but a historic film called Segodan was actually filmed here, and this was actually in the scene. Nice little pond and stream area. This is really beautiful, guys. One of the best gardens in Japan. And I mean, look at that. You get a view of the mountain, got a view of the harbor. A beautiful stream. Oiwa shrine. It's like a filtration bed. And this thing is almost a way they used to husk rice back in the day. And once it fills up, it tips over. And then boom, crushes the rice. That's fucking tight. Appreciate everybody that stayed and watched this video. Thanks for following me through Kagoshima and seeing some of the sights with me. I'm going to be doing some more on various cities around Japan. I'll be in Tokyo in about a month, so I'm going to be staying there for about 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah, man, there's going to be more videos to come. I've got over 7,000 photos and videos that I need to start mixing down for y'all. But this is just my first little series I figured I'd start doing. So I appreciate everybody for sticking around. Y'all take it easy and be blessed. Hope y'all get to come see Japan once all this shit's over.